Hey everyone, Linus here. Welcome back to another deep dive into cutting-edge technology. Today we're diving into the world of zero-touch provisioning, or ZTP for short. This is a game-changing technology that's transforming how we think about network management. Imagine a world where setting up a new network device is as easy as plugging it in. No more hassle, no more headaches, no more manually configuring each device, no more tedious command line interfaces. We've all been there, spending hours on end trying to get everything just right. That's the promise of ZTP, and it's changing the game for network administrators everywhere. It's like having a magic wand that takes care of all the grunt work for you. In a nutshell, ZTP automates the process of configuring new network devices. It uses predefined scripts and policies to ensure that each device is set up exactly as needed. It eliminates the need for manual intervention, allowing you to deploy devices faster and more efficiently. Imagine rolling out hundreds of devices in a fraction of the time it used to take. This is especially crucial in today's world, where networks are growing increasingly complex and distributed. With the rise of IoT and edge computing, managing these networks manually is becoming nearly impossible. ZTP is like having a team of expert technicians working tirelessly behind the scenes. They ensure that every device is configured correctly, no matter how many devices you're dealing with. They take care of all the configuration headaches, leaving you free to focus on more strategic tasks. This means you can spend more time on innovation and less time on maintenance. This not only saves you time and money, but also reduces the risk of human error. Automated processes are far less likely to make mistakes compared to manual configurations. So whether you're managing a small office network or a massive data center, ZTP can significantly simplify your life. It's scalable and adaptable to any size of operation. Let's delve deeper into the nuts and bolts of ZTP and see how it can revolutionize your network management strategy. We'll explore the technical aspects, the benefits, and how you can implement it in your own network. Stay tuned. Now that you understand the magic of ZTP, let's break down the key components that make this sorcery possible. Zero-touch provisioning, or ZTP, is a revolutionary approach that simplifies network device deployment. But what exactly are the building blocks that make this possible? Think of these components as the essential tools in a network administrator's toolkit. Just like a carpenter needs a hammer and nails, a network administrator needs specific elements to make ZTP work seamlessly. First up, we have the boot image. This is a critical piece of software that initializes the device. This is a special program that runs when a new device is powered on. It's like the device's first breath, setting the stage for everything that follows. It's like the device's first taste of the network, telling it where to go and what to do. Without this initial step, the device would be lost, unable to communicate or function properly. Next, we have the configuration server. This is the brains of the operation, storing all the configuration files and instructions needed to set up the device. This is where the magic happens. The configuration server holds all the necessary data that tells the device how to behave, what settings to apply, and how to integrate into the existing network. It's like a central repository of knowledge that the device can access. Imagine it as a library filled with all the information the device needs to perform its tasks efficiently. Of course, the device needs a way to find the configuration server. This is a crucial step in the ZTP process. That's where the discovery mechanism comes in. This could be something as simple as DHCP or as sophisticated as DNS. These protocols help the device locate the configuration server quickly and efficiently. This discovery mechanism ensures that the device can find its way in the network maze, connecting to the right server without any manual intervention. Finally, we have authentication and authorization. These security measures ensure that only authorized devices can access the network and its resources. These are like the gatekeepers of the network, verifying the identity of each device and granting access only to those that meet the security criteria. Think of it as a digital bouncer, keeping out any unwanted guests. This ensures that the network remains secure and that only trusted devices can communicate within it. These four components work together seamlessly to automate the entire provisioning process. Each plays a vital role in ensuring that new devices are integrated smoothly and efficiently. In the next section, we'll explore the ZTP workflow in more detail. We'll dive deeper into how these components interact and the step-by-step process that makes ZTP a game changer in network management. Now let's walk through the typical ZTP workflow and see how these components come together in action. Imagine a brand new switch fresh out of the box, eager to join your network. The moment you power it on, the device boots up and requests an IP address using DHCP. This is like the device sending out a search party looking for the network's central hub. The DHCP server, upon receiving the request, assigns an IP address to the device and points it towards the configuration server. This is like giving the device a map and a compass, guiding it to its destination. Armed with this information, the device contacts the configuration server and downloads its configuration file. This file contains all the settings and parameters the device needs to function correctly on the network. Once the configuration download is complete, the device applies the settings and becomes fully operational. Voila! The device is now a productive member of your network, ready to handle traffic and connect users. This entire process happens automatically without any manual intervention. It's like magic, but with less smoke and mirrors and more automation and efficiency. Section 4, Benefits of ZTP, Why You Should Care. By now, you're probably thinking, this ZTP thing sounds pretty awesome, but what's in it for me? Well, let me tell you, the benefits of zero-touch provisioning, ZTP, are numerous and impactful. Well, buckle up, because ZTP comes with a whole host of benefits that can transform your network management experience. It's not just about making things easier, it's about revolutionizing the way you handle your network infrastructure. First and foremost, ZTP drastically reduces deployment time. Imagine being able to set up your entire network in a fraction of the time it used to take. Remember the days of manually configuring each device one by one? It was a painstaking process that consumed valuable time and resources. With ZTP, those days are gone. The automation takes over, allowing you to focus on more critical tasks. You can deploy dozens, even hundreds of devices simultaneously, saving you countless hours of tedious work. This efficiency is a game changer for any IT department. Secondly, ZTP improves consistency. When you automate the configuration process, you eliminate the risk of human error. This means fewer mistakes and a more reliable network. Every device is configured identically, ensuring uniformity across your entire network. This uniformity is crucial for maintaining a stable and secure network environment. Thirdly, ZTP enhances scalability. As your network grows, adding new devices becomes a breeze. No more complicated setups or lengthy configuration processes. Simply connect them and ZTP takes care of the rest. This seamless integration allows your network to expand effortlessly, keeping up with the demands of your business. No need to hire an army of technicians to keep up with the demand. A small, efficient team can manage a large network with ease thanks to ZTP. Last but not least, ZTP can significantly reduce costs. By automating tasks and minimizing downtime, you can free up your IT staff to focus on more strategic initiatives. This not only saves money, but also boosts productivity. By automating tasks and minimizing downtime, you can free up your IT staff to focus on more strategic initiatives. This not only saves money, but also boosts productivity. Your team can work on projects that drive innovation and growth. In a nutshell, ZTP is not just a technological advancement, it's a strategic investment that can pay off big time in the long run. It's about working smarter, not harder, and positioning your organization for future success. So why should you care about ZTP? Because it can transform your network management, save you time and money, and help you stay ahead in a rapidly evolving technological landscape. Section 5. Challenges and considerations navigating the ZTP landscape. While ZTP offers a plethora of advantages, it's not without its challenges. Like any new technology, careful planning and consideration are crucial for successful implementation. One of the primary challenges is ensuring your network infrastructure is ZTP ready. This includes having a robust DHCP server, a reliable configuration server, and a secure network architecture. Security is another critical aspect to address. With automated provisioning, securing your devices and network becomes even more paramount. Implementing strong authentication and authorization mechanisms is non-negotiable. Complexity can also pose a challenge, especially in large and diverse networks. Managing multiple device types, vendors, and configurations requires careful planning and a well-defined ZTP strategy. Vendor compatibility is another factor to consider. Not all vendors support ZTP, and those that do may have different implementations. Choosing vendors with robust ZTP capabilities and ensuring interoperability is essential. By acknowledging these challenges and addressing them proactively, you can mitigate risks and ensure a smooth and successful ZTP deployment.